Welcome everybody. Super excited. SafeMoon is going to be listed on ZBG, which is a global top cryptocurrency exchange. What's up, YouTube community? Welcome to Invest Desk, your number one channel for cryptocurrency investing, research, daily news, and updates. My name is Syed, and we are going to just briefly talk about the impact of ZBG exchange and the SafeMoon price and what's going to happen. I'm also going to touch base a little bit about SafeMoon whales so we understand the price mechanism and the dips that we are experiencing for the last day or two. So both of these go hand in hand, and we will run a quick analysis in this video so we can position ourselves better into the next few days, week, or even months. So let's dive right in. But first things first, all of you know that I'm not a financial advisor, and cryptocurrency is a highly volatile business. And of course, you take on all the risks. With that out of the way, let's dive in to the top 10 cryptocurrency exchange where SafeMoon will be listed. And first, let's take a look at, of course, the actual official announcement that SafeMoon team did on Twitter and Discord and other channels. So it's official. SafeMoon is going to be listed on ZBG exchange, fully tradable. This is super exciting. This is a huge exchange, and I'm going to talk about in depth about this exchange a little bit so that we understand the trading volumes, of what this exchange is, a little bit of history, so we know that it is not only the top 10 global cryptocurrency exchange, but it is in the top 3 in the derivatives market. So let's take a look at first, of course, the top crypto derivative exchanges according to CoinMarketCap, and you will notice right here, boom, number 3 is ZBG. This is a Chinese exchange, and of course, many other exchanges are coming up, at least 4 or 5 more coming up, where SafeMoon is going to be listed. But the top cryptocurrency derivatives exchanges you will see at number 1 is Binance, number 2 is Huobi Global, and number 3 is ZBG. And SafeMoon is going to be trading on this exchange in the next 24 hours. This is a super breaking news, and of course, a huge announcement. Let's take a look at what this exchange is. So if I were to open the ZBG here, so this was launched in 2018. The ZBG is a Hong Kong-based cryptocurrency exchange, is a subsidiary of ZB.com. And the ZBG exchange is focusing on providing a trading platform for new and innovative tokens. Like we say, SafeMoon is always a big front runner of being innovative. So ZBG offers currency trading, buy and sell services for hundreds of crypto assets with the goal of making users' investment choices more flexible. So this particular exchange provides a cryptocurrency, an exchange itself, OTC, over-the-counter, Launchpad, Rocket, and other services to global users. And of course, it also has iOS and Android apps. So ZBG.com is their official website, and the active markets, of course, are listed, and it is in over almost 74 active markets. All right, so this is brief ZBG, but the important thing here, check this out, 34 billion or $34.5 billion. All right, so with that said, SafeMoon will be listed on ZBG. This is the official announcement from the exchange itself to all the project initiators and investors caring for ZBG.com. ZBG.com will list SafeMoon initial offerings soon. Please pay attention to the subsequent announcement for the specific trading time. Thank you, or thanks for the support. So this is super announcement for one of the exchanges that SafeMoon is going to be on. And of course, it will continue to grow and non-stop to the moon. The review this particular exchange, it is the official flagship website of ZB Global, and keep in mind this is a subsidiary, right, whose core team has operated one of the biggest global trading platforms for more than 5 years and has gained hundreds of engineers and millions of users. It has its own native token also. ZT is the ticker symbol, and the total stock of ZT tokens is fixed and limited to 500 million tokens. So this exchange is not only an exchange, they have their own token, and it is a part of a bigger global group, which makes ZBG exchange in itself the top 10 and of course the top 3 within the derivatives market. Now, as far as SafeMoon is concerned, the official announcement has been made. It was made on Twitter early this morning, which is fine, but I wanted to get this out right of the way in this short video just so that we know that what is happening with SafeMoon. And of course, if you haven't checked my last video on the CEO John Carney, just clarifying about the last meeting and giving us some concrete and tangible steps moving forward for SafeMoon, this is definitely a huge breakthrough. Now, I also want to talk about quickly on the whales, so we understand the dips that are happening and we're experiencing with SafeMoon chart itself. So let me go ahead and go to the website and open up the live chart so we know that why these whales are dumping. So once we take a look at the chart, we're going to take a look at the red, of course, the red dips that we are seeing on the chart. Now we know that one of the whales sold yesterday, right? One of the whales sold 2 trillion or 3 trillion. I'm going to show you that right now, but this is the SafeMoon chart. The current price is at 0.000044. It was at 4844, and this is really the sort of like the consolidation phase with a little bit of volume that is happening with SafeMoon. I'm going to navigate next to, of course, the Reddit page. I don't have it open. Let me open up the Reddit here. Perfect. So this is the whale report number 23 by our good old friend Datby, and in this report you'll see it says SafeMoon family, what an interesting day. At least I mentioned in my whale report last night that there were either going to be a huge price jump once the AMA occurred, or there would be a huge drop. And of course, we did experience a drop. It was going to be 100% dependent on the quality of the AMA. Sadly, the AMA was not very strong, and immediately the price crashed. A couple of new exchanges were announced, like the MCX, for example, and I'm pretty sure that they were not ones that anyone was hoping for. I read all of the Twitch comments that were flooding the stream about the professionalism, and I immediately said, oh, here we go. Then, sure enough, a couple of large whales felt the same way and started to sell. This led to more panic selling, and the POW, we dropped almost 80%. The top whale started it all off with a 2 trillion sell all at once, and that is why we saw or we experienced the huge drop in price yesterday, right? So it was not, of course, apart from all the war on rugs, the rug pulling things, the FUD going around, along with the whale, it just dropped 80%. Of course, we know the paper hands sell, right? And that is what caused the massive drop. Now, it seems like we are recovering a little bit, but I personally don't think the ride is over yet. Based on the previous patterns and trends, we're probably going maybe drop another 10% or so, and we've already seen this. This is, of course, posted 11 hours ago, and right now the price is stabilized, which is great news. And according to these patterns that we've had, and not taking into consideration any other factors, at this point there really is not much else to do but hodl, and that's the ideal way to move forward, of course, if you still have a bag. And that's really what it is. So the whale count sold 7.2 trillion coins, and everybody's bags increased by roughly 0.5% that did not sell. And that is super exciting because remember, it's passive income, guys. So the dips don't matter. It really gives you more money if whales sell and the price goes up, you still make money. So yeah, we need to keep our cool and move forward. But this is the top wallets that are holding SafeMoon, and the 24-hour change that you see here, for example, 3 trillion less, 60 billion more, or 250 billion less. I'm just going through these highlights as you notice here that whales sold yesterday, and that's what caused the price drop. So the whale that we lost, in fact, there was 1.6 trillion SafeMoons less, and then another one with 1 trillion less. So all these whales eventually, of course, they're going away, and of course they're giving back to the existing holders 5%, which is distributed based on our holdings, which is super exciting. Now, for the time being, of course, you may think, well, geez, this is a drop and all of this, but no, this is something something positive and it should be taken positively. All right, so this is the whale report. I'm going to cover this, of course, and of course, another breaking news, of course, before I go, that SafeMoon just got verified on BSC Scan. This is just 4 hours ago. You can check it out. This is the tweet by SafeMoon Protocol. It was verified on BSC Scan or hashtag SafeMoon, which is another important area. So there you go. I wanted to give you these updates for SafeMoon. Of course, it's in the consolidation phase still, but with all these exchanges coming up and the trading volume for, of course, the ZBG, which is a Chinese exchange, will continue after 24 hours. We will definitely, hopefully, see the price move up, and that is the pattern that we see here. So I hope this helps. Just wanted to quickly cover the top crypto exchanges. Of course, the top derivative exchange is ZBG, and SafeMoon is listed on this exchange, official. My name is Syed, and InvestDesk is your #1 cryptocurrency channel for research, daily news updates, and forecasts. Please like, comment, and subscribe so you get notified every single time there is a breaking news or update so you can make informed decisions. And with this, I will see you in the next video.